music can play. Okay, you can go back out. Here, radio. We are working on 2017 Honda HRV. We are doing on Android radio. It comes with all the harnesses, microphone, backup cam, USB cables, all the key harnesses, and also this is the replacement monitor. It's a 9-inch. I'll put the link in the description below. Microphone. I'm going to take the radio out. Radio comes out fairly simple. First thing you're going to do is open the glove box. You grab the panel from the bottom and pull forward to remove the entire bezel around the radio. And there is a plug on this has a switch right here. We're going to disconnect that. So let's disconnect that plug. Just push one of the center pins to release the plug. Alright, so once you have that out, you have 4 screws here. 1, 2, and it should be 2. Maybe there's one down here. There's nothing here. It's only 2 screws on the top. Alright, so it's like only got 2 screws. So usually the radio's got 4 screws. Let's see. So there is a one straight down here. We're going to get long extension for it. So we got a long extension. The radio should pop out like that. And pull straight forward, disconnect all the harnesses. All the plugs got the release pins. You just push the little tabs on the back and everything comes apart. This one, yeah. This main plug on the part of this white, there is a release pin. You got to push it downward to release this white locking pad out, then the entire plug comes out. So basically the rest is all plug and play. So what you do is find the plug that plugs in on the main harness, USB, antenna adapter, everything you need comes with, and you don't have to worry about what goes where other than these 2 here. You just gotta find out. These are usually USB, so if factory has USB, where do I see USB? Most of them goes on the armrest. Let's see. I don't see no USB here. Oh, it's on the bottom. So it's on the bottom of the center dash. So you just gotta find the right plug to plug it in here to enable factory USB into the center dash. Right there. Like I said, you match all the plugs. This is another thing you don't need. Whatever you don't have, you don't need to worry about it. Just plug in what's there in the back of the radio. This is the Canbus module, we call it, or they call it. Basically, this enables the backup cam, the controls on the wheel. So you need to have this plugged in. Remember the name. Every one of them has a name on it. So it's a RZ, ZRG, HD. So if you need to program it, it's going to ask for the name of the module you have. And this is what you're going to look for. This 2-pin is what we call Canbus. That you plug it in on the back of the radio. Again, these are all different shapes. So be sure to match the plug to plug it in. You should have a USB adapter plug, no? No. What are these? They usually come with the USB adapter, no? This radio didn't come with an adapter. This one has the backup cam input that goes into CCD input. That is the backup cam. Plug it in, please. Right. And the USB is this, so we're just going to drop it down here somewhere. And what else? Okay, so let's power that up. Let's see. Just going to let it boot. Make sure everything works. How about this? Wait, we got to wait till this thing boot up. Alright, so we're going to go to video. Yep, volume works. I'm pushing volume up and down. That's the tuning. That's the actual preset, but if you press and hold, sometimes it does. Nope. Just the preset. So set the stations that you like. 7.5. And you just press and hold, highlight it. So when you do up and down, it goes from one preset to another. The reception is poor because we are inside. Let's see. Let's make sure that. Oh yeah. So it should have some video. No video. Oh wait. How about I'm gonna ground this thing in order to get the video to work. So let's see. Let's do Android Auto. You have an iPhone?
No.
What is it, Samsung? Okay, so let's pair the Bluetooth. Usually they call it car kit. Maybe this.
Maybe.
Let's try that. Okay. Nice, rotating. Then this is trying to pair. Right, so that thumbs up. So if you have a music, go to music. Anything. So it gives you name of the song, artist name here. You can increase the volume. Right. Okay, that works. The reverse cam. Okay, so whenever you see these lines horizontal, it's out of sync. So what you do is put your 2 fingers here, the menu pops up. Not on. All right, so right here it says image format is 720. Usually NTSC is the factory one. Let me see about CVBS. So let's do it again. Voila, the resolution is back. The other one, AHD, is a high resolution. Obviously, the factory cam is not high resolution, so it shows that. So everything works. Music works, Carplay works, Android Auto works, control on the wheel works. We're gonna put it together. This is car information. If I open the driver's side door, it shows on the monitor driver's side door open, close. It shows door closed. If you open passenger, again, it shows trunk open, door open, all the indication right here. Okay, everything works. Only thing, as I said, doesn't support is the factory USB because it didn't come with it. So you don't really need it other than charging the phone. So we're just gonna drop this one somewhere down below. So if customer wants to charge the phone, they can do that. But everything is wireless. You don't have to have a phone connected to the radio side or car side. Let's put it together.
So,
yeah.
So this is connect the USB?
Yeah, connect the USB on the back of the radio, and we're just gonna drop it down somewhere.
No, not connect this?
It doesn't work. You need an adapter.
Oh.
It didn't come with an adapter. Okay. And they do sell, Metro makes the USB adapter. You can buy it and connect it to the back of the radio, but you don't really need it. Let's drop this. This is only for charging. It does work as the wired USB as well. Just one's good. No dose.
This no?
Yeah, just one.
This take out or this?
It doesn't matter. You can take out whichever one you want. Yeah, just need one. Maybe we can just put it in here.
Yeah,
in the glove.
It's okay. Let me see.
Right, so just gonna put everything back together. We're gonna give them USB in the glove box. No? All right, so we got that in the glove box. I'll show this in.
Maybe they'll cut this. Maybe we need to take out this.
Oh, no. This plastic piece is touching that little tap right there, so we're just gonna get rid of this bottom one right here. We don't need that. Just gonna cut it. This side is okay. Passenger side is hitting a little bit, so we're just gonna get rid of that. Yes. Okay. Beautiful. All right. Let's put 2 screws. That's it. Because they are skinny and light, they don't give you the mount on the bottom. You don't need it because this is like a tablet, real thin and light. You don't need to have a bottom one. No? Longer one?
Yeah.
Got a little bit longer screws. The one that comes with was too short, too fat. Right, so we got longer screws that holds it in place. Wi-Fi antenna. This one, you can just put it behind. Doesn't have to be on outside. And the microphone, we're gonna put it somewhere. Don't forget the hazard plug. So I can just put it down here.
Yeah, this.
That's good. I'm just gonna stick it right here to the microphone. So you don't need this little doodad here. Get rid of it. Take this off. That should come up. Yeah. So we're just gonna put a little,
Maybe a little down.
yeah, a little down. Ah, that's good. Yep. Beautiful. That's it. So test it one more time. Make sure the backup cam works. Backup cam works still. It's connecting the cell phone. Everything is good. Yep. And the music can play. Okay, you can go back out. Here, the radio, the volume. That's it. And if you do Wi-Fi connection, you bring it down. There is a Wi-Fi connection there. If you connect Wi-Fi to it, you can do YouTube, Netflix, whatever the internet contents. I'm not gonna do that. That's it. What happened? Oh, that's the navigation. Right here, right there. Android Auto. That's it.